tell us what you brought.
I'm gonna take one out.
Okay.
Just one is because there's so many to choose.
All right, you want to put the whole vase up there though, so it doesn't fall?
No, I can do this. Cars, because I like to play.
Okay.
Cars. And I like cars. Water, because I need to drink and stay hydrated. And a map, so I know my way.
So great, Betty. So those are the 3 things that you would want to take when you go hiking? Yeah. How many cars would you take?
My whole car carrier.
You take the whole car carrier? Isn't that heavy?
Yeah.
So you're going to show us what you would take, the 3 things you would take if you were going to run.
So I would bring some snacks
Okay.
because I need some snacks to keep my energy. I would also bring a map
Okay.
so I can navigate where I was going. And then last but not least, I would bring a backpack so I can carry all my stuff.
What happens if you got thirsty?
I would also
All right, so the 3 things that I would bring are water. I need enough for the whole family. Then I would have snacks. Our kids love snacks, and I always want to make sure we have enough when we're going so that that's not the reason that we turn around. So we got snacks, 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 snacks. And then I would also bring some stuff for the kids to do. So I have a piece of paper and a pencil is always good to write down things. And then they love their playing with a walkie-talkie. So that would be something else that I would bring to make sure that they're nice and entertained during the hike. Are you stealing my snacks? Oh my gosh.
I'm stealing what I like.
Obviously, my priorities are different. A little bit more practical here. There's 10 essentials, but these are the 3 things that I would never go anywhere without. First aid kit. Gotta have that stocked up for everybody. Lots of bandages, pain medication. Water filter. I really like the Grail because it's purifier and the bottle stores the water, so you don't have to carry an extra bottle. And then this one I always think gets overlooked, but I think it's a must, and that's a headlamp. Your phone is not going to be bright enough to navigate or do anything after dark, so I always bring a headlamp. There's many times where I end up staying out later than I had initially planned, and these come in huge. So the cool thing about all of these is that I can literally, these are survival tools. So there's nothing I can't face with these 3 things. You can go without food for a while, but you really need the water. You've got to prevent your injuries, and then this is the most important tool in my bag, I think. I take it paddling, I take it hiking, climbing, everything.